Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Upwork for SEO freelancer hiring, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type upwork.com in the address bar and press enter. Wait for the Upwork homepage to load completely. Locate the login button in the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login screen. Here, enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. If you wish to stay logged in, check the Keep Me Logged In box. Once your credentials are entered, click on the Login button. After a brief moment, you will be redirected to your Upwork dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Look for the search bar at the top of the dashboard. Type SEO in the search bar to find SEO freelancers. Press enter to view the list of available SEO freelancers. Utilize the filters on the left side to refine your search. Filter by categories such as hourly rate or job success score. When you find a freelancer that matches your needs, click on their profile. Review their previous work and client feedback carefully. If you decide to hire, click on the Invite to Job button or hire if you are ready. Follow the prompts to finalize your hiring decision. You are now set to engage with SEO freelancers on Upwork. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.